Hi everyone, Einat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are getting ready for spring with some sunshine doodles. So I'm going to use a black pen and later a yellow Posca pen to make some doodling of a sunshine. I want to show you how easy it is. So we're going to start with the basic shape of a circle and some rays around it. They can be in the same length or different length, whatever you want to do. Next, I'm going to do some circles one inside the other, again with some rays around it. So I got a request to make some more doodles, and I thought it will be really fun to start getting ready for spring with some little sunshine drawings. So now I'm playing with the length of the rays around the two circle sun that I made. Next, let's do a spiral in the center with some rays around it. And later I'm going to show you how to add some color to these doodles. So a little bit of a blackened center with some rays around it. Of course, you can use any color pen that you want, and then it will not be black. Of course, you can use the yellows and oranges to make whatever sunshines you want. Next, I'm going to add some triangles as rays instead of just lines. And some people ask me, what are the doodles good for? So I add them to a bullet journal. It's really cool. Bible journaling can also be a good idea to use doodles. Any type of art journaling, card making, scrapbook pages, mini albums, party invites, notebook covers, anything that you can draw or doodle on is a good idea. You can even make doodles on windows, on glass with special pens or paints. So that can be fun too. We can also add faces to our sun if we want it to be really cheerful. So now long triangles as rays. You can play with the size of any basic shape that you make. Basically, we're using circles, lines, triangles. So the lines can be straight or curved. The circles can be just one circle or a few circles or a circle inside a circle and so on. The lines can be in different width or length, and then the triangles can be small, full, empty, long, short, etc. And also you can fill the sun inside, you can leave it empty, you can add a face, and when you mix all these elements together, you can get lots and lots of options of sunshine doodles. You see how many I've made already, and there are so many more that you can make. So now I've changed the shape of the rays to be sort of a wonky rectangle, I would say. It's not symmetrical. It's supposed to be in a different proportions. Next, we can make some toppers, sunshine toppers. And basically, when you make a sun, if it's a full circle, it can also be a tag. You can leave the center empty and then add some text inside. And whatever you do with a full circle, you can do it with a half circle and make it a top for any type of, again, craft, paper craft that you want. And all the ideas here that I'm making on the half circles, you can make on the full circles as well. So you can just play with that. And if you are not sure with your doodling, you think it comes out, not straight, not pretty, a wonky, you just leaning towards one side, etc. and you are not feeling comfortable doodling directly with a pen, you can always start with a pencil that you can erase and then go over it with a pen once you're happy with what you did. So I have some curved rays there on the left, half circles, and here we have completely swirly rays that I'm doing now. You can see that you can really play with the ideas, and doodling is really fun. You should try it. Let's make one last half circle sun with lots of rays around it. They're big, like this. And you can add faces to the half circle suns as well, to the toppers. If you add the faces on the side, it gives it more dimension and movement. And now let's add one more and then start coloring the suns. Again, you can use pens, you can use acrylic paints, you can use watercolors. It depends what your project is and how you want to add color to it. And of course, you can start in the beginning by making the doodles with colors instead of a black pen like I did. So you can just go over the lines with the yellow pen. You can color parts of your doodles and leave some parts empty. You can follow the lines that you did. You can color every other shape. Here I'm coloring every other triangle, and here every other circle. So even the coloring gives you extra movement and interest to your doodle, so it can combine different colors. I'm just using yellow here, but you can combine other colors as well, like other shades of yellow or orange. Here I'm coloring every ray, every triangle ray, and the center almost completely as well. Here I'm just adding lines. Here also some lines and some shadowing. And you see how much the color adds to the sun. So it's really fun. I really like doodling. I recommend you try it for any type of paper project or surface that you want. I really hope you like how all these suns turned out, and that you will maybe start preparing for spring with a few of your own sun doodles. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects because they're fun. So I hope I have inspired you, and I want to thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.